Okay, let's visit Oracle website. Then go to download. Then look for Java SE. Then I'm going to install Java SE 11 long-term support. Then I'm going to install Windows 64-bit installer. Again, here you agree and you may need to register for this service. Again, after you download it, installation is quite straightforward. Next, and then try to remember installation directory. Close. Now we go to Properties, Advanced System Settings. Let's set environment variable. Here we say New, Java Home. You can browse directory or you can use Windows Explorer. So Java installation directory here, copy, paste it. Okay. Then just select Path, New. Java Home, and then bin. Okay. Let's set up one more user variable, class path. Period means current directory. Okay. So if we type Java C version, it will show you Java C 11.0.6 is installed. Okay, let's go to Apache NetBeans website. Download. We have 11.3. It just came out a few days ago. Download. Okay, I'm going to install installer. Again, I recommend you to use Java 11 or 8 if you're going to use Java FX. So Windows 64. Okay, that's the one. Download. It will take 2 minutes to download. Okay. Here you go. Again, the installation is straightforward. Next. Okay, validation. Okay, finish. If you install more than one JDK, you may need to set up Netbeans configuration file. So let me copy installation directory, open Notepad as an administrator. Look for open and then look for Java program files, Netbeans installation directory, etc, and then Netbeans configuration file. You go down here, I already have it, but Netbeans JDK home. You may copy paste your Java version. My case is JDK 11.0.6. Okay, paste it and then save it. Now Netbeans is going to use JDK 11.0.6. Okay, because I do have JDK 8 and then 11, so I need to set up that configuration. So help about. So Netbeans is using 11.0.6. Okay. Here plugins. Unlikely you need to install anything. You can set all of them and then you may update it. It's a new version, so there's nothing to update. Here I like to do one more thing here. The font size I actually use 16 to make it bigger, and then comments I use magenta instead of a gray. So that looks slightly bigger on screen. Java with ends, Java applications, I will use the name as it is. So Netbeans create a project and create a one file called Java applications 75 for Java. System print, just print hello world. All Java source code you need to compile. Then you can run your Java program. Okay, it's done. So that we can launch it. Hello world. Okay, that's all. Thank you.